Why shouldn't I just settle with the insurance company myself? The short answer is that if you do, you are highly likely to get a lot less compensation. You can do the research yourself and find the studies. A recent study showed claimants and plaintiffs who have an attorney are likely to get 3 times as much on average in their pocket than those who do not. And that's the amount in their pocket. Insurance companies are experts at dealing with negotiation and using psychology and your good nature against you, especially your own insurance company. Insurance companies train their adjusters to say, hey, we're your insurance company. We represent you, and make you feel like they have your best interest at heart. They even do this if it's the insurance company for the other driver or the business where you were injured. They'll tell you things like, look, I don't want you to waste money on an attorney. We're going to pay what we're going to pay. If you hire an attorney, we're not going to pay anymore. All that's going to do is take a percentage away from your recovery. I don't want to do that. I would much rather give that money to you than to give it to an attorney. It sounds great. Sounds like they're trying to take care of you. They're either lying or the insurance company has intentionally not trained them, not advised them of the facts. And that's why on a regular basis, we have people who try to solve the case, settle the case with the insurance company themselves, who then come to us. In one recent case, I had a client who was hurt and wanted $5,000 in his pocket for compensation from the insurance company. The insurance company only wanted to pay something like $3,000 and change, $3,200, something like that. And the insurance company would not budge. He didn't want to hire an attorney, he didn't think he needed one, but the insurance company wouldn't give him what he thought was fair. He almost signed the release to accept it and settle the case. He didn't. He called us. We then represented him. And then within, I think it was about 2 months to 3 months, the case settled for $25,000 total. And so the insurance company had to pay 5 times the amount that it was going to. And our client ended up with 4 to 5 times the amount in his pocket. So that's just one example to show how the insurance company will mislead you. Now, having said that, there are times when people call me and tell me what the insurance company has offered. And every once in a while, there is an offer that is reasonable or close to it. In that situation, I encourage the caller to try to resolve the claim, because it's one of the very few times in which an insurance company is giving something close to a fair number. But that is the exception. And in my career, there's never been a time when someone negotiated with the insurance company themselves, and then I represented them to where they ended up with less in their pocket than what the insurance company said was their top and final offer. Can never make a guarantee, of course. Every case is fact sensitive, but hiring an attorney is that important.